Assalamu alaikum students. I hope you all are fine. Students, as we are studying Unit 5 about measurement, today our page number is 140 and the topic is length. Length means the distance from the one end to the other end. In previous classes, we learned that length is a measure of how long something is. For example, the distance from this end to this end is the length of this book. We use a ruler or measuring tape to measure things. The most commonly used units of length are meter, centimeter and kilometer. We must use appropriate units for measuring length of different objects. For example, the length of a rectangular table can be measured in meters, but the length of smaller objects like a common pin will be measured in centimeters. Now let us learn about kilometer, which is used to measure long distances. For example, the distance between Karachi and Hyderabad is 162 kilometer. Centimeter is the much smaller unit than the meter and the kilometer, and we use it to measure the smaller things. Meter is the bigger unit than centimeter and we use it to measure the bigger things or distance. Kilometer is the much or bigger unit than the meter and centimeter and we use it to measure the bigger or heavier things or the longer distance. Do you remember the meaning of kilo? In book 2 we learned that kilo means 1000, therefore kilometer means 1000 meters. Means 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. If we have 1000 units of meter, they will be equal to 1 kilometer. 1 meter length is divided into 100 centimeters. It's mean 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. If we have 100 units of centimeter, they will be equal to 1 meter. 1 kilometer length is divided into 1000 meters. Again, 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. Okay students, 40 m is read as 40 meters. We read m as meters. Okay students, 5 m 30 cm is read as 5 meters and 30 centimeters. 3 km 600 m is read as 3 kilometers. We read km as kilometers and 600 m is read as 600 meters. Remember, we can use a short form for the standard units of length. Kilometer is km, meter is m, centimeter is cm. Challenge: the distance between Adil's home and his school is 2 km 500 meter. The distance between Sarah's home and her school is 2500 meter. Who covers the most distance? If we will convert it into meters, it will be equal to 2 km will be equal to 2000 meters plus 500 meters. It will be equal to 2500 meters. So they both covers equal distance. Move to the next page. The next page is 141. Conversion kilometers to meters. We know that 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. Therefore, to convert kilometer to meter, we multiply by the conversion factor 1000. Look at here students. If we have to convert kilometers into meters, we will multiply kilometers by 1000. Now solve some examples. Question number 1. Solve the following. The part A, convert 5 km to meters. 5 kilometer is equal to 5 multiplied by 1000, as in 1 kilometer there are 1000 meters. So we will multiply the 5 by 1000. 5 multiplied by 1000 will be equal to 5000 meters. Okay students. So there are 5000 meters in 5 kilometers. Remember things. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. Half kilometer is equal to 500 meter. 1 by 4 kilometer is equal to 250 meter. And 3 by 4 kilometer is equal to 750 meters. The next part B, convert 9 kilometer 400 meter to meters. First convert kilometer to meter and then add all the meters. First we will convert the 9 kilometers into meters, as in 1 kilometer there are 1000 meters. So we will multiply 9 by 1000. 9 by 1000 meters plus 400 meters. 9 multiplied by 1000 is equal to 9000 plus 400. It will be equal to 9400 meters. Number 2, write kilometer and meter in meters. Part A, 2 kilometer 362 meters will be equal to 2362 meters. Look at here students, as in 1 kilometer there are 1000 meters, so we will multiply 2 by 1000 plus 362 meters. 2 multiplied by 1000 is equal to 2000 plus 362 meters. It will be equal to 2362 meters. The part B, 4 kilometer 75 meter will be equal to 4075 meters. We will do it by the same method. The part C, 1 kilometer 2 meter is equal to 1002 meters. Next, conversion of meters into kilometers and meter. Examples, question number 1, write meter in kilometer and meters. The part A, 2181 meter is equal to 2 kilometer and 181 meters. Look at here, as we have here 2000 meters plus 181 meter. 2000 meter will be equal to 2 kilometer because we have 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. So in 2000 meters there will be 2 kilometers. 2 kilometers plus 181 meter equal to 2 kilometer 181 meters. Okay students. The part B, 3015 meter will be equal to 3 kilometer and 15 meter. We will repeat the same method. The part C, 4002 meters is equal to 4 kilometer and 2 meters. By the same methods, as we have here 4000 meters will be equal to 4 kilometer plus 2 meter. It will be equal to 4 kilometer and 2 meter. Move to the next page. The next page is 142. Now we will start the exercise. Exercise 5A, question number 1, fill in the blanks. The part A, the standard unit of length is kilometer. We use kilometer to measure the length. So we will write here kilometer. Kilometer in short, km. B, distance between two places is measured in kilometers. We will write here kilometers. Kilometers as short, km. C, a suitable unit to measure the length of a book is dash. As the book is short in length, so we use the smaller unit to measuring the length of a book. We will use centimeter. centimeter in short, cm. The next part D, 1 kilometer is equal to dash meters. We have 1000 meters in 1 kilometers. We will write here 1000. The next part E, the thickness of a book can be measured in dash. We use the millimeter unit to measuring the thickness of a book. In short, we will write double M. Mm stands to millimeter. Question number 2, state whether the following are true or false. Number 1, the distance from Lahore to Karachi can be measured in meters. Is this correct? No. The distance from Lahore to Karachi is the very longest distance. We use meter to measure the smaller distance, so this statement is not correct. We will write here false. Okay, students. The next part B, 7 kilometer 40 meter will be equal to 740 centimeter. Is this correct? No. In 1 kilometers we have 1000 meters, so it will be equal to 7040 meters. So this statement is also wrong. We will write here false. The part C, 3 kilometer 30 meter is equal to 3030 meter. Yes, we have 1000 meters in 1 kilometer, so 3 kilometer will be equal to 3000. 3000 plus 30 meters will be equal to 3030 meters. This statement is correct. We will write here true. The next part D, 401 kilometer is equal to 40,100 meter. Write here false. The next part E, 5 kilometer 100 meter is equal to 5100 meter. Yes, in 1 kilometer we have 1000 units of meter. So 5 kilometer will be equal to 5000. 5000 plus 100 meter will be equal to 5100 meter. This statement is correct. We will write here true. Okay, students. Question number 3. Select the correct answer from the given options. 2 kilometer is equal to 2000 meters because in 1 kilometer we have 1000 units of meter. So 2 kilometer will be equal to 2000 meters. We will choose this option. Okay, students. The next part B, the length of a piece of string can be measured in kilometer, meter only, centimeter only, meter and centimeter both. We can use the both meters and centimeters, so we will choose this option. Number 3, 25 kilometer is equal to, as in 1 kilometer there are 1000 meters, so 25 kilometers will be equal to 25,000 meters. We will choose this option. The next part, D, 5 kilometer 400 meter is equal to, there are 1000 meters, so 5 kilometer will be equal to 5000 meters. 5000 meter plus 400 meters will be equal to 5400 meters. We will choose this option. The next part E, 1232 meter is equal to 1000 meters will be equal to 1 kilometer and the 232 meter will come as it is. So we will choose this option. Move to the next page. The next page is 143. Circle the question number 4. Circle the proper unit for each of the following. Number 1, baby's feet. As baby's feet is very much smaller in size, so we use the smaller unit to measuring the lengths of baby feet. We will use the centimeter unit. So we will choose this one. Number 2, length of playground, kilometer, meter or centimeter. As the playground is large in size, is very big in size, so we use the meter unit for the measuring length of playground. Kilometer is very bigger unit. Number 2, length of playground. As the playground is very big in size, so we use the meter unit to measure the length of playground. Kilometer is very bigger unit, we can't use for it. The next part, number 2, length of playground. We will use the meter unit to measure the length of a playground. As the kilometer is very bigger unit, we can't use it, and centimeter is very smaller unit. We can also. Number 2, length of a playground. As the playground is very big in size, so we will use the meter unit to measure the length of playground. Kilometer is very bigger unit, we cannot use this to measuring the length of playground, and centimeter is much smaller unit, so we will use the meter unit to measuring the length of playground. Number 3, length of a car. The car is also big in size. We also use the meter unit to measuring the length of a car. Number 4, distance on a road. As the road is very big in size, the roads are very big, we cannot use the meter centimeter unit to measuring the length of the road. We use kilometer unit to measuring the length of a road. We will choose this. Question number 5, write these lengths in kilometer and meter. Question number 5, write these lengths in kilometer and meters. The part A, 3528 meter. We have to convert it into kilometers and meters. Here we have 3000 meters. We will write here first 3000 meters plus 528 meters. As in 1 kilometer there are 1000 meters, so 3000 kilometer will be equal to 3 kilometer. It will be equal to 3 kilometer, and 528 meter will come as it is. The part B, 2023 meters. As we are going to convert it into kilometers and meters, here we have 2000 meters. First we will write here 2000 meters plus 23 meters. As we know that in 1 kilometer there are 1000 meters, so 2000 meters will be equal to 2 kilometers, and 23 meter will come as it is. The next part C, 6401 meters. As we are going to convert it into kilometers and meters, here we have 6000 meters. First we will write here 6000 meters plus 401 meter. As 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters, so 6000 meters will be equal to 6 kilometer. We will write here 6 kilometer plus 401 meter will come as it is. Okay students, the part D2I is your homework. Move to the next question. Question number 6, convert these lengths into meters. Question number 6, part A, 3 kilometer 591 meter. Now we are going to convert it into meters. As we already know that 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters, so 3 kilometer will be equal to 3000 meters plus 591 meter. By adding 3000 meters and 591 meters, it will be equal to 3591 meters. The part B, 8 kilometer 82 meters. As we have to convert it into meters, in 1 kilometers there are 1000 meters, so 8 kilometer will be equal to 8000 meters plus 82 meters. It will be equal to 8082 meters. Okay students, the part C to F is your homework. Question number 7, write greater than or smaller than or equal. The part A, 246 meter dash 2 kilometer 946 meter. Which one is greater? This one is greater. If we will convert it into meters, it will be equal to 2946 meters. So 246 meter is smaller. We will put here smaller than sign. The next part be 3 kilometer 840 meter and the other one is 3448 meters. If we will convert it into meters, it will be equal to 3840 meters. Now compare the both numbers. Which one is the greater? This one is the greater, so we will put here greater than sign. The next part C, 700 meter dash 7 kilometers. If we will convert it into meters, it will be equal to 7000 meters. Now compare the both numbers. This is 700 meter and this is 7000 meters. Which one is greater? This one is greater and this one is smaller. So we will put here smaller than sign. The next part D, 1 kilometer 16 meter dash 1160 meters. If we will convert it into meters, it will be equal to 1016 meters. Compare the both numbers. As this is the greater and this is the smaller, this is 1016 meters and this is 1160 meters. This is smaller, so we will put here smaller than sign. The next part E, 1070 meters dash 1 kilometer 70 meters. If we will convert it into meters, it will be equal to 1070 meters. Now compare the both. Yes, the both numbers are equal, so we will put here equal than sign. The part F, 2 kilometer 4 meter dash 240 meters. If we will convert it into meters, it will be equal to 2004 meters. Compare the both numbers. As this is 2004 meters and it is 240 meters, this is greater than from this, so we will put here greater than sign. Okay students, Allah Hafiz.